Hi, I'm Greg. I'm going to talk you through one of my favourite cocktails at the moment, the New York Sour. It's basically a whiskey sour with a really nice winey twist. What you'll need is a rocks glass like this with a couple of large cubes of ice in it. You'll also need some whiskey. Today we're going to use the Few bourbon for our whiskey sour. Mainly chose this because it's absolutely banging, delicious stuff. So a double measure goes in. Then a single measure of freshly squeezed lemon juice. It must be freshly squeezed. And then to counteract that lemon juice, to counteract that sourness, we're going to use some simple syrup. It's been bought in any shop or you can make it at home. So we're going to put a half measure of that in, not too much, just about half a measure. If you've got a slightly sweeter tooth, feel free to use a full measure at that point. So in that goes. So now we're all loaded up in here. We just need to mix those ingredients together and chill it down. So we're going to do that through shaking. So first of all, we'll take some ice, take a tin, pop it on the top, give it a little pat, make sure there's a flat side there, and shake for about 12 seconds. Once you've done that, just need to break the seal, give it a good pat, and now we just need to strain it into our glass. So strain it over the ice. So it looks delicious enough already, but to give it a little bit of a winey twist, and to make it a proper New York sour, we're going to use a small measure, about half to a quarter of red wine over the top of the drink. Do it over the back of a bar spoon, and there we have it, the classic New York sour. Enjoy.